Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arson Woods. Friends, another crockery unit design is also known as China cabinet, the servers and cupboard and showcases also. The size of this one is 7.5 feet outer. So it will cover 7.5 feet area. Front to back this is 21 inches and the height again is 7.5 feet. The platform from the ground is 36 inches, this area, and then we have the door part here. Now this particular unit you may have seen in a lot of pictures when you go online and search for modern and luxury furniture. Most of the Italian furniture pics you see, you will find something similar to this, a design sitting there. It's a nice design as well as the concept is quite Victorian. So when we talk about Victorian furniture or the classical furniture, this kind of China cabinet you will see in most of the places. This one is without glasses. The glasses, the mirrors, granite, marbles, we don't provide because they are too fragile to be transported. And this thing can be easily done at on-site. That's why we don't provide the glasses. Now about the design itself. It's in teak wood, high gloss natural teak finish with antique work inside. So the carvings are highlighted with the antique work in the natural wood finish itself. So you see the carvings getting a little more visible in this particular unit. Now it has got a door this side, similar door that side, and two doors in the middle. The inside clear area from front to back that we get is around 16 inches. The clear depth we get is 16 inches. Though the unit is 21 inches front to back, the main reason being the leg. If you see, it's got heavy leg and it's protruding outside. So it covers quite a space here, and that's why the inside space is a little lesser. But for a crockery, 16 inches is a good space. So once you have this kind of unit, it will give you quite a space as a showcase. The other thing is the door part here. It's got a huge cabinet inside. Now if you want a shelf inside, that can also be put, but that's again the requirement part. Nice big space inside. And then we have got 3 drawers. Quite big, huge drawers with nice space inside. So 1, 2, and 3 drawers and 2 cabinets, one on each side. When we have something in teak wood, the natural wood finish is one of the best to be considered. However, it depends on how you like it. We make a lot of furniture in different colors, gold, copper, white, and dark finishes also. But that's again the choice part. The sizes are also as per the size requirement you have. So if you want something bigger or something smaller, you can let us know and we'll make that for you. This unit is going to UK, United Kingdom, along with some other furnitures. It's almost 525 something videos that we have posted on YouTube. And a lot of furniture we are making again and again. That's why I don't repeat the furniture. But this is one unit that was different in their stuff. So I'm showing it to you for the first time. And that's why I made a video and posting it here. If you want to see more of our stuff, there are hundreds and hundreds of designs on the website arsonwoods.com. You can visit there and you'll find the huge range that we have. About our work, the testimonial section in our website will give you the details, how many units we have prepared and delivered across the world. So you can see how much work we are doing and we are getting the blessings from the clients. Once they receive the furniture, they are quite happy and sending us pictures over. Work is speaking for itself. The carving you see is hand carving, the work of artisans. It's not machine done, it's not CNC, it's hand carving, and it's on teak wood. Hope you like our work. If you have any questions, please contact us. For prices also, we request you to contact us and we'll provide you the prices as per your requirement. Please put in a few comments. Let us know how you like our work. Thank you so much.